Hello friends, in last previous lectures we discussed the 3 level and 4 level lasers. How can be in this 2 level laser scheme the stimulated and spontaneous emissions can be takes place in the formation of population inversion schemes. Atoms how can be reached in the form of ground state to excited states and excited state to ground state according to data of energy levels and due to the population inversion processes of pumped from that levels simultaneously. So, now today we are discuss the next topic. In this topic we discuss that these two level these two systems comparison. So, today's we can start this new topic comparison between that 3 level and 4 level lasers. In this case we can study in the 3 level lasers we can be write the threshold frequency of NTH is equal to N2 minus N1 defined. That will be defined as N0 is equal to N2 minus N1. So, in that 3 level schemes the threshold frequency defined in the formation of N0 form. For the laser to be begin the lasing action in the form of N2 greater than N0 by 2 plus NTH upon 2. So, in this case the population inversion in the N2 level is greater than that of N0 by 2 and the threshold of population can be takes place NTH upon 2. So, N0 greater than NTH we can prove, then N2 also greater than N0 by 2. So, that will be derived we can expression the first define. So, on the other side we can be define the 4 level laser. In this 4 level laser the N2 is equal to N1 that will be the exponential form of E2 minus E1 upon KT. So, that will be the represents that the energy levels the population inversion of second level N2 of N2 is equal to N1 defined and that exponential we can be derived that energy according to that of population inversion of energy levels E2 minus E1 by KT. So, that will be the represents in the form of the constant temperature. So, we can assume that the energy level E2 minus E1 upon KT greater than 1. So, in this case N2 approximately defined as the 0. So, for this action lasing action we can prove that the laser can be beginning lasing. So, that will be the form of that losing the action of N3 minus N2 greater than threshold NTH. So, that will be defined as the N3 greater than also the NTH. So, that will be the in that case of NTH 3 can be defined in the 3 level laser system. So, upon NTH upon NTH in the 4 level laser that will be represents in the 3 level laser the N0 by 2 NTH and that will be represented this quantity is very large quantity. Energy level E3 NTH represent the N0 and energy levels 4 is represents that 2 NTH. that this quantity will be for very large formation can be defined. So, we can above expressions we can be observe that the pumping actions easily form in the 4 level laser, and as comparatively than that of the 3 level laser. So, that reason we can be oftenly mostly oftenly used that 4 level laser system. So, in this way we can be according to that of the threshold frequency, we can prove that these two in 3 and 4 level energy levels how can be comparatively the action performed. So, thank you.